If you need help with Telegram and want to know how to email Telegram support, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the correct way to contact Telegram support, what email address to use, and the faster option that usually gets you a response sooner. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, the direct email address for Telegram support is support@telegram.org. You can send your message there if you want to contact them by email. But it's important to know that Telegram does not rely mainly on traditional email support like some other apps do. Instead, they usually direct users to their support page or in-app help tools. So if you send an email, it may not always be the fastest way to get a reply. That's why the better option is to use Telegram's official support form. To do that, open your browser and go to telegram.org/support. Once the page loads, you'll see a support form where you can describe your issue. This is where you should explain your problem clearly and include any important details that can help them understand what's happening. For example, you can mention whether you're having login issues, account problems, message delivery issues, or something else related to your Telegram account. The more specific you are, the easier it is for support to understand your request. After filling out the form, double-check your information and make sure everything is correct. Then click Submit. Once your request is sent, you'll need to wait for a response from Telegram support. In many cases, using the support form is a faster and more reliable option than emailing directly, especially if you want your issue handled properly. If you're still unsure which method to use, start with the support page first and use the email address only if needed. That way, you're using the official Telegram support channels in the most effective way possible. So just to recap, you can email Telegram support at support@telegram.org, but the fastest method is usually the official support form at telegram.org support. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.